Good to have you back. This is the Natural English Channel, your daily English practice. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Oliver. Really glad you're here with us today. We post a brand new conversation every single day. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. You don't want to miss one.
And before we dive in, let me tell you what is waiting for you in this episode. Because today we are exploring two words that most learners treat as identical, and they are not. Lucky and fortunate. Both about good things happening. Both about positive outcomes, but with a difference in tone, weight, and when to use each one that will immediately make your English sound more natural and more precise. We have a real message from a real English learner that opens this whole conversation perfectly. We are going to compare lucky and fortunate directly, side by side, so the difference becomes completely clear. You will see the most common mistakes, the fixed expressions native speakers use constantly, and at the end, a mini dialogue quiz where you respond in real time. Stay with us. This one is going to change the way you describe good things in English forever.
I use lucky for everything. Every single good thing that happens, lucky. So yes, stay with us. I apparently have a lot to learn.
So, Oliver, I got a message this week from someone called Marco, and he wrote, Sophie, I have a question. I was writing a formal email to thank my mentor for helping me get a new job, and I wrote, I am so lucky to have you as my mentor. And then I paused and thought, should I have written fortunate? They both mean the same thing, right? But fortunate felt more appropriate somehow. Was my instinct correct? Can you help?
Oh, Marco's instinct was interesting. Because honestly, I would have written lucky without even thinking about it. And now I'm wondering if that would have been wrong.
And that instinct Marco felt, that pause, that feeling that one word was more appropriate than the other, was completely right. Lucky and fortunate. Two words, both about good things happening to you, and a real difference in tone, weight, and context that native speakers feel automatically. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Okay, side by side. Let's find this difference.
Let's start with lucky. Lucky is casual, warm, immediate. When something good happens, especially by chance, especially unexpectedly, lucky is the natural word. I found $20 in my old jacket. Lucky. I got the last ticket to the concert. So lucky. Lucas won a free pizza in a raffle. Lucky guy. Lucky is light. It's spontaneous. It often implies chance. Something random went your way and you're delighted about it.
Oh, lucky is light and spontaneous. Good things happened by chance. Random good fortune. I got the last ticket. Lucky. Lucas won a pizza. Lucky. The randomness is part of the feeling.
And fortunate. Fortunate is more considered, more formal, more weighted. When you use fortunate, you are acknowledging a deeper sense of gratitude, a recognition that something truly meaningful has come your way, often through circumstances beyond pure chance. I am fortunate to have such supportive colleagues. She is fortunate to have recovered so quickly. We are fortunate to live in a safe community. Fortunate signals, I have genuinely reflected on this. I recognize the real value of what I have.
Fortunate is deeper, more reflective, more formal. You're not just saying, great random thing happened. You're saying, I genuinely recognize and appreciate this meaningful thing in my life. More weight, more consideration.
Think of it like this. Lucky is finding a coin on the street. You smile, you feel good. Something small and random went your way. Fortunate is realizing you have people who love you and support you and believe in you. You stop. You feel it deeply. You recognize the real value of what you have.
Lucky, finding a coin. Light, random, immediate smile. Fortunate, realizing the depth of what you have. Pause, reflection, deep gratitude.
And that's exactly why Marco's instinct was right. I am so lucky to have you as my mentor sounds warm but slightly casual for a formal email to someone who changed your career. I am so fortunate to have you as my mentor acknowledges the real weight and value of that relationship. Fortunate is the right word for a formal professional message about something truly meaningful.
Oh, wow. Same gratitude, but lucky is casual and fortunate is considered. And in a formal email to a mentor, fortunate carries the right weight. Lucky feels like you won something in a raffle. Fortunate feels like you genuinely recognize what you have.
Exactly. Now, formality. Lucky works everywhere in casual conversation. I'm so lucky it didn't rain. You're so lucky you got that table. Lucas is lucky he has such a patient best friend. Light, easy, casual, natural.
Lucas is extremely lucky in many ways. Lucky everywhere in casual speech, texts, conversations, everyday moments, fast and warm.
And fortunate appears more in formal and professional context, and in moments of genuine, deep reflection. In professional writing, we are fortunate to have such a dedicated team. In a speech, I am fortunate to have had the support of my family throughout this journey. In a heartfelt personal message, I am so fortunate to know you. The weight is always there with fortunate.
Fortunate for formal contexts and deep personal reflection. When the moment deserves more than a quick lucky, reach for fortunate. The weight signals that you've really thought about it.
And here's something interesting. Lucky can sometimes imply pure chance with no skill or effort involved. He got the job, lucky. It sometimes carries the feeling of, this could have easily not happened, random outcome. Fortunate is less about pure chance and more about a positive state of being. I am fortunate. I exist in a good situation. Less random, more stable, more enduring.
Oh, lucky, this random thing happened, could have gone either way. Fortunate, I'm in a genuinely good situation. I recognize it and appreciate it. Less about the random moment and more about the overall reality.
Exactly. Now, fixed expressions, because these come up constantly.
Hit me.
Lucky break. A sudden piece of good luck, often unexpected, that changes things positively. Getting that interview was a real lucky break for her career. The break came, it was random, lucky.
Lucky break. Random positive turning point. The luck arrived unexpectedly and opened a door. Lucky break. Casual, immediate, chance.
Lucky charm. An object believed to bring good luck. I always carry this coin. It's my lucky charm. Random superstition, casual, light, lucky.
Lucky charm. Max is my lucky charm. He doesn't do anything useful, but somehow things work out when he's around.
Fortunate enough to. A formal expression used to acknowledge a meaningful, positive experience. I was fortunate enough to study abroad for a year. I am fortunate enough to work with incredibly talented people. The enough to adds humility. I recognize this is not available to everyone.
Fortunate enough to. Humble, considered, formal. I was fortunate enough to. I recognize this was meaningful, and not everyone gets this opportunity. Beautiful expression.
And as luck would have it, a fixed expression meaning something happened by chance, often used humorously. I was looking for a new job, and as luck would have it, my neighbor worked at the perfect company. Chance, coincidence, lucky energy, casual, and often slightly ironic.
As luck would have it. Love that expression. Pure chance aligned perfectly. As luck would have it, Lucas called right when I needed advice most, which never happens.
These four, lucky break, lucky charm, fortunate enough to, as luck would have it, learn them whole. They come up constantly in real English.
Fortunate enough to is going into every formal email I write from now on.
Now, error check. 3 mistakes that come up most often.
Ready.
Wrong. I am so lucky to have survived that accident. I want to express deep gratitude and relief.
I am so fortunate to have survived that accident. Surviving an accident is not a light, random, lucky moment. It is a deeply meaningful recognition of life and gratitude. Fortunate carries the weight that this moment deserves. Lucky would feel too casual and too light for something so serious and significant.
Good. Wrong. We are fortunate the pizza place is still open. Lucas is very happy about this.
We are lucky the pizza place is still open. This is a small, casual, happy coincidence. The pizza place being open is a lucky break, not a deeply meaningful life experience. Fortunate would be far too heavy for a pizza place. Lucky, light, casual, perfectly right here.
Exactly. And wrong. She had a fortunate escape when she missed her flight and avoided the storm.
She had a lucky escape when she missed her flight and avoided the storm. Lucky escape is a fixed expression. Always lucky, never fortunate escape. The randomness and the chance element are central to the phrase. Lucky escape? Fixed. Learn it whole. Never swap lucky for fortunate here.
3 for 3. And before the quiz, one thing. Lucky and fortunate are both beautiful words, and knowing when to use each one is not just about grammar, it's about expressing the right depth of gratitude for the right moment. Small, random good things, lucky. Deep, meaningful recognition, fortunate. And your English will always carry exactly the right weight.
Yeah, and Marco, your instinct was completely right. I am so fortunate to have you as my mentor. Fortunate. The weight is right, the gratitude is real, the formality is appropriate. Your pause saved that email.
Quiz time. Mini dialogue. I'll start conversations and we build them together, using lucky and fortunate naturally throughout.
Ready, let's go.
Oliver, did you hear? Lucas found $50 in his old coat this morning.
Oh, wow, that's so lucky. Found money in an old coat, random, unexpected, light, lucky. Max found an old treat under the sofa yesterday, actually. Also very lucky. Same energy.
And how do you feel about your new job? You've been there 3 months now.
Honestly, I feel so fortunate. The team is incredible. My manager genuinely supports me. The work is meaningful. This isn't just lucky. This is a real recognition of something deeply good in my life. Fortunate.
That's beautiful. And speaking of good things, did you hear that Sarah got promoted?
Oh, that's amazing. She worked so hard for it. She's not just lucky, she's fortunate enough to have had the dedication and the right opportunities align. Fortunate enough to. The weight is right, the humility is there, she recognizes what she has.
Perfect. And last question. You're writing a thank you note to someone who helped you through a really difficult year. How do you end it?
I am so fortunate to have you in my life. Not lucky. This person didn't arrive by random chance. They stayed, they helped, they made a real difference. Fortunate. The word carries everything I want to say in that moment.
I am so fortunate to have you in my life. Oliver, that was genuinely perfect. 4 situations, all correct, all precisely right.
You know, lucky and fortunate have been like 2 coins in my pocket my whole life, and I always just grabbed whichever one came first. And now I see. Lucky is the small, bright coin. Light, shiny. You find it unexpectedly and it makes you smile. Good, random things. Chance, immediate joy. And fortunate is the heavy coin, the one with real weight, the one you hold in your hand and feel the substance of. Deep gratitude, meaningful recognition, the things that really matter.
Light coin and heavy coin, both valuable, both real. And now you always know which one the moment calls for.
Light coin or heavy coin? And Lucas is always looking for the light coin.
And somehow always finding it. Let's lock it in. Vocabulary review.
Let's go.
Lucky. Casual, light, immediate. often implies chance and randomness. I'm so lucky it didn't rain. What a lucky break. As luck would have it, lucky charm. Repeat after us. Lucky.
Lucky.
Slowly. L-U-C-K-Y. Lucky.
Lucky is the light coin. Small, random good things. Casual and warm. Use it for everyday happy coincidences and unexpected positive moments. Lucky break. Lucky charm. As luck would have it.
Fortunate. Formal, considered, deep. Implies genuine, meaningful recognition of something good. I am so fortunate. She is fortunate enough to. We are fortunate to have. How fortunate. Repeat after us. Fortunate.
Fortunate.
Slowly. F-O-R-T-U-N-A-T-E. Fortunate.
Fortunate is the heavy coin. Deep gratitude, meaningful recognition, formal and reflective. Use it when the moment deserves more weight. In professional writing, in heartfelt messages, in genuine reflection on what really matters.
Fixed expressions. Lucky break. A sudden, unexpected piece of good luck that changes things. Lucky charm. An object believed to bring good luck. Fortunate enough to. Humble acknowledgement of a meaningful, positive experience. As luck would have it, something happened by chance, often used humorously. Repeat after us. Lucky break.
Lucky break.
Lucky charm.
Lucky charm.
Fortunate enough to.
Fortunate enough to.
As luck would have it.
As luck would have it.
And the golden rule, forever. Lucky is the light coin. Casual, random, immediate, small, happy moments. Fortunate is the heavy coin. Formal, considered, deep, meaningful recognition. Ask yourself, is this a small, random, happy thing or a deeply meaningful, good thing? The answer gives you the word every single time.
Light coin, lucky. Heavy coin, fortunate. And Max is my lucky charm. But I am truly fortunate to have him. Both coins. Same dog.
Come back to this review and say these phrases out loud with us. I'm so lucky. I am so fortunate. Fortunate enough to. As luck would have it. Say them until they feel completely natural. That is how language becomes truly yours.
And if there's a word or expression in English that has been confusing you, leave it in the comments below. Your questions are literally how we choose what to talk about next. We read every single one, and we are so grateful for every message.
Seriously, your confusion today is our next episode. Don't be shy, leave it down there.
And if you enjoyed this episode, go watch our last video, where we talked about who, whom, and whose. 3 words that also seem identical, but carry completely different weight, just like lucky and fortunate. The link is in the description.
And if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who has been using lucky for everything their whole life. Send them this. Light coin, heavy coin. The right word for every moment.
And Marco, I am so fortunate that you sent that message. Your instinct was right. Your mentor is lucky to have you too.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye. And as luck would have it, Max is sitting on my foot right now and refusing to move. Fortunate enough to have him, lucky to survive him.
Both coins, Oliver. Goodbye, everyone.